Good day everyone. I am Jaymie F. De Jesus from BSE2B, and for today's video, I will give you 5 real-life examples of simple interest. But first, what is simple interest? Simple interest is calculated by looking at the principal amount borrowed, the rate of interest, and the time period it will cover. Here's the formula for solving simple interest. I is equal to PRT, where is I is simple interest, P for principal amount, R for rate, and T for time for years. Here's the example number 1. You have 20,000 car loan with an interest rate of 4% for 3 years. First, analyze the problem for you to know what is asked. And for this problem, we need to calculate the simple interest. Next is, we need to organize the given information. So the principal amount is 20,000 pesos, the interest rate is 4%, and the time is 3 years. And we need to transform the interest rate, which is percent, into decimal. So the decimal of 4% is 0.04, and the period of time is 3 years. Then substitute the formula. So 20,000 is P, 0.04 is R, and T for 3. So 20,000 times 0.04 times 3 is equal to 2,400. So the simple interest of 20,000 car loan with an interest rate of 4% for 3 years is 2,400 pesos. Example number 2. You bought a refrigerator for 4,000 with an interest rate of 8% for a year. First, let's analyze the problem. And for this problem, we need to calculate the simple interest, like the example number 1, and transform the interest rate, which is percent, into decimal. So the decimal of 8% is 0.08. Then substitute the formula. So the P is equal to 4,000, the R is 0.08, and the T or time is 1. So 4,000 times 0.08 times 1 is equal to 320. The simple interest of 4,000 pesos refrigerator with an interest rate of 8% for a year is equal to 320 pesos. For example number 3, Jacob borrowed the 20,000 pesos to John with an interest rate of 5% for 2 years. Like the first two, we need to analyze the problem, and for this problem, we need to calculate the simple interest. Then transform the interest rate to decimal, so the decimal of 5% is 0.05. Then substitute our formula. So P is 20,000, R is 0.05, and T for 2. Then 20,000 times 0.05 times 2 is equal to 2,000 pesos. The simple interest of 20,000 pesos that Jacob borrowed to John with an interest rate of 5% for 2 years is equal to 2,000 pesos. Example number 4. A woman deposited 50,000 in a bank which charged an interest of 5%. Calculate the simple interest and the amount she earned after 2 years. Based on the given, we need to calculate the simple interest for us to know how much she earned after 2 years and transform the interest rate into decimal. So the decimal of 5% is 0.05. Then substitute the formula. The P are 50,000 pesos, our R is 0.05, and D is 2. So 50,000 times 0.05 times 2 is equal to 5,000. So the simple interest of 50,000 a woman deposited in a bank with an interest rate of 5% after 2 years, she earned 5,000 pesos. Example number 5. Calculate the rate when the principal is 2,000 pesos and the interest is 400 pesos for 3 years. Based on the given, we need to calculate the rate. So, let's substitute the formula. I is equal to 400, RP is equal to 2,000, copy R, and T is 3. So, bring down the 400 and 2,000 times 3 is 6,000. Then, divide both sides by 6,000. So, 400 divided by 6,000 is equal to 0.06. So, R is equal to 0.06. So, therefore, R rate is 6. And that's all. Thank you.